Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General, and man, do we have a lot to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded the new coupons and glitches video, and then I also wanted to go ahead and mention that today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event, so make sure that y'all head on out and grab those deals before they're gone. Alright, now if anyone is new to penny shopping at Dollar General, please keep in mind that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do in order to penny shop is to go into the store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, double check and make sure you have your correct store location set, and if that item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Now today is Sunday, May the 14th, which is also Mother's Day, so I do want to say happy Mother's Day to all of the moms out there, and this means that we are going to have some penny items tomorrow. All of the Mother's Day balloons will go down to 1 penny starting tomorrow on Monday, May the 15th. Now, I'm not sure why, but I haven't seen any of the Mother's Day balloons at the stores around me. I'm not sure if they just didn't get them in stock or if they didn't put them out. Not quite sure what's going on there, but unfortunately, that means that I do not have pictures of these balloons. But I do have the exact list with the UPC codes. So we do have the helium balloons as well as the stick balloons, and they should stand out to you pretty easily. Now, since today is Mother's Day, that means that all of the other Mother's Day items, other than the balloons, that will be a penny, but all the other items will go down to 50% off starting tomorrow on Monday, May the 15th. So we do have the Mother's Day pop-up cards, the Mother's Day socks, as well as all of the Mother's Day seasonal items. Alright, so now that we've all taken a quick look at the Mother's Day items, let's move on to Tuesday. So starting on Tuesday, May the 16th, we are going to have Yellow Dot Toys. This is super exciting. Yellow Dot Toys going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, I don't have any visuals for you all just yet because this is kind of a nice little surprise. But I will get visuals. We'll put together a video so that you guys will know exactly what to look for. But if you do want to pick up these items at 50% off starting on Tuesday, all you have to do is look for the yellow dot right by the price tag. All right, now next up, we have Brown Dot home items going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, May the 16th. And for this category, I have already put together our visual video for it. So if you guys want to go and check that out, I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. In that video, I go over all kinds of awesome items with UPC codes, pictures, the whole thing. So make sure that y'all go and check it out. All right, now moving right along, we have 3 more new categories joining our clearance list markdowns. So first up, we have the reusable face mask and accessories going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, May the 16th. We also have select hand sanitizers going down to 50% off starting on May the 16th. And then we also have the Hanes face mask going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. Now, for all 4 of our brand new categories, so we've got the yellow dot toys, the face mask, hand sanitizer, and then the Hanes face mask, I will be gathering up visuals for us, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. All right, now for our next markdown, we have the gray dot apparel going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, May the 16th. Now here are all of the visuals for you all on this one. Don't forget that this category does include the Hanes sweatshirts, the sweatpants. There's even some t-shirts and some jackets included in this category. So here's just a quick overview, and I may go ahead and put together a quick visual video just for this specific category. But you guys, let me know, did you already pick up some of these gray dot apparel items over the weekend during the clearance event? Or were you waiting on them to go down to 90% off? Or are you waiting on them to go down to a penny? Because I know my store still has a lot of this stuff in stock. All right, now for our next 2 categories, we have the back to school stationery and the back to school hardware items going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. And if you guys will remember, I have already put together this visual video for you all as well. And in that video, we go over both categories. It's all nice and neat for you, wrapped into one. All right, now moving right along, we also have the fall and winter hardware items going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, May the 16th. Now, in this category, we have a lot. We have a lot of those Premier Find gift sets, and I want to caution you all to make sure that you scan. This is definitely a category that you have to scan, all right? And that is because Dollar General has already put out new gift sets that look identical to these right here. However, the new ones are ringing up full price. So it could be as simple as tweaking the packaging just a little bit, or they just could have slapped a different UPC code on there. So again, make sure that y'all scan. Alright guys, and last but certainly not least, we have the calendars going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, May the 16th. And unfortunately, as of right now, we do not have a penny list for Tuesday, but keep in mind those balloons do penny out tomorrow on Monday. And as always, make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on and make sure that you stay tuned because you just never know with Dollar General. They have definitely been pulling some fast ones on us here lately. So, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.